So I'll do the best I can to record while holding it, but I don't have the 60 mile per hour gear in it, so it only goes so fast. And it's currently 2-wheel drive, so it sucks on the ground in the grass. I'll get a little bit of video, like through the yard and shit. Do it again. Alright, so done for the day with the Rustler, but took a beating today. I think I sent the wheelie bar up into the back probably 3 or 4 times. I think the body is officially destroyed because the wing's about to completely rip off. But still holding up with 2-wheel drive for the time being. I think the body just comes off too easy now. But still good. No overheating, running the 11 spur in it right now, so only 45 miles per hour. So I was jumping the ramp, jumped it over my head a couple times. Yeah, I'm gonna get a 20 tooth and then gonna send it over the roof of the garage. So that should give me 65 miles per hour with it. This is done. Rhonda's back together, so she's good. Build coming soon. But for now, I'm gonna keep doing these. Still waiting on the drive shaft to come in. 2 metal ones for the front, so it's pulling really weird now. Obviously, I have a little bit of an alignment issue with the back. More so this side. So I need to fix that. And other than that, she good. Like, subscribe. See you next time.